Hello students, welcome back to the online class of AIS. Today we are going to start exercise 1.6 Roman numerals, that is a part of large numbers. So let's get started. Before we start with Roman numerals, let us discuss with the rules. Rule 1. Numerals I, X, C and M can be repeated to represent a number. Repetition of these numerals means addition. Like example I is given. That means 1 plus 1, that is 2, because I has been repeated twice. So 1 plus 1, 2. Over here X repeated thrice. That means 10 plus 10 plus 10, that is 30. C repeated thrice, that means 100 plus 100 plus 100 is equal to 300. M repeated twice, so 1000 plus 1000, 2000. The numerals I, X and C cannot be repeated more than 3 times in a number. So, numerals V, L and D are not repeated. Rule 2. A smaller numeral written to the right of a numeral of greater value is always added to the greater numeral. Like VII, V means 5 and I means 1. So smaller numeral is written to the right of the larger numeral. So we will add it up, that is 5 plus 1 plus 1, that is 5 plus 2, 7. XI, X means 10, 1 means, I means 1. Since 1 is less than 10 and it is placed in the right hand side of X, so it will be added up. So 10 plus 1 equals to 11. Rule 3. A smaller numeral written to the left of a numeral of greater value is always subtracted from the greater numeral. Example IV. I means 1, V means 5. Since 1 is smaller than 5 and it is placed in the left hand side, so we will subtract 5 minus 1, 4. Similarly XC. C means 100. So, and X means 10. So, 100 minus 10, 90. Rule 4. When a smaller numeral is placed between two numerals of greater value, it is always subtracted from the numeral immediately following it. Example, XXIX. Like over here 10 plus 10 we will do. But I is placed left hand side of X and I is smaller than X because I means 1 and X means 10. So it will be subtracted, but it will be subtracted to the numeral immediately following it. That means 10 minus 1 is equal to 29. So 10 plus 10, 20 and 10 minus 1, that is 9, that is 29. So these are the 4 rules of Roman numerals. So now let's start with the exercise. Number A. Write the following numbers in the Roman system. We are going to solve sum number 4. 791 is given. So it will be DCCXCI because D means 500, C means 100. 100 repeated twice. So 500 plus 100 plus 100, that is 200. So 500 plus 100 plus 100. Now XC, X means 10, C means 100. Now X is smaller than C and so it will be subtracted and it will be subtracted from the numeral immediately following it. That means 100 minus 10 plus 1. So 500 plus 100, 600, 700, 700 plus 90, that is 790 plus 1 is equal to 791. That is why I have written DCCXCI. So this is your answer. Number 5. 312 is given. So I need to first consider 100. So how will I get 100? That is by C. C can be repeated maximum 3 times. So I have written 3 times. That is 100 plus 100 plus 100. This gives you 300. Then 12. 12 how we will get? That is 10s I need to find out. That is 10. This gives you 100 plus 100 plus 100. 300 plus 10. 310 plus 1 plus 1. 2. That is 312. So this is your answer. Number B. Write the following numbers in the Hindu-Arabic system. Roman numeral is given. We have to convert it into Hindu-Arabic system. Now, CDIV is given. C means what? 100. D means what? 500. Now, 100 is smaller than 500. That means it will be subtracted from D. That means 500 minus 100 plus IV. Again, I means 1, V means 5. So, smaller number is placed before the larger number. So, 5 minus 1. This gives you 400 plus 4. That is 404. So, the answer is 404. Number 11. MCXI. M means 1000. C means 100. 100 is smaller than 1000 and it is placed in the right hand side. That means it will be added up. Plus X means 10 plus 1. So this gives you 1100. Again 1110 plus 1. That is 1111. So the answer is 1111. So here we come to the end of our exercise. Hope you understood. Thank you, students.